Yay! More baby.
Like, his tie's so short. Somebody please fix his tie.
It's like going to school all over again.
Yeah.
It's a big deal, that's why.
So are all of these agencies getting brought together then?
Possibly. Nice.
Abbey Road reference there.
Love it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is a big old plan to take down Overhaul.
Oh my lord.
It's the who's who of heroes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if there's this many people here, then what's about to kick off?
Everything.
Yeah, good. I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
I wish I could run with as much inspo as Deco can run into the
God.
sunlight.
I wish I just had, like, as much motivation as Deku has.
Yeah. There's lots of, like, My Hero inspired workout routines, to be fair. Could find a specific one. The All Might workout.
I don't know that I want to be as buff as All Might, though.
No, I know, but it would be a hardcore workout.
Oh, yeah. It's like, oh god, what's his name again? The guy that played The Witcher? Geralt?
Henry Cavill.
Yeah. Have you seen his workout routine? It's
Crazy.
actually deadly.
Yeah.
Like, really a bit too much. But I suppose.
I'm trying to figure out plot things from the opening there. It's a lot of staring.
Good luck.
Yeah. Rude.
Very rude.
I wonder if this is just going to be the meeting episode.
Yeah, or if it's all about to go down.
Yeah. Meeting room. He just always looks perpetually so comfy.
Honestly, I want to be as comfy as him.
This is the matter.
It's that matter. Who are you?
The drama begins.
I love the flashing lines. Mm-hmm. Yep.
He's bandaged
Ooh.
from the gunshot.
Yeah.
And how much did they really know? It's
Ooh.
centimeter. I don't know, I can't take that seriously. Because of his voice.
I wonder what their power is.
Being a centipede.
Yeah.
Yeah. And were the bodies still there? Like, the fucked up bodies?
Don't know. Fair play.
But once again, you're dragged into craziness.
Yeah.
He just knows everybody, man.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Ooh, very interesting.
Well, you would need a system like that, otherwise it would just be chaos.
Yeah. No, that's just rude.
There's always one.
I know, but that's just rude.
He will be proven wrong.
Oh.
Oh my god.
He's great.
I wonder if he's actually that fat, or if it's like a quirk thing.
I don't know, maybe. The way the All Might changes.
My god, those are huge.
Yeah.
Those are like jawbreakers. Destroys. Yeah, destroys is a bit
Yeah.
dramatic.
He's got camera.
Oh dear.
Yep.
Look at that wagon tail. Oh. Okay, so destroyed is still a bit extreme though.
Weird. So it only attacks the quirk genes.
Yeah, because it's not, the goal is not to just murder people, I'm gonna guess.
Yes! You did good! I love you!
Still works.
Oh, Angel. What is it?
It's from ERI. I bet you it's from ERI, the little girl. Because she's like got bandages everywhere.
What? In that chair.
Yeah, yep. Oh no, it's coming together in an evil way.
Oh, I don't like it. Get that girl out of there. I'm not okay. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Man, they really gathered a lot of people.
Yeah, that's a lot of people. At least 30, I think. No, that's not it. Yeah, we do. Him.
Disassemble and restore things.
Yep.
Major anxiety.
Child.
As I said, I bet that better not actually be his daughter.
Mm-hmm. But you need to know the details.
Oh, I hate that, but it's a really
Wow.
cool visual.
This art is incredible.
Certainly using them.
Yikes. I feel so bad for these
Yeah, they're
guys.
literally just
They're
like-
like, we should have got her out of there, man.
They didn't know that though. Bitch, me too. No, not that though. No! They got told not to.
Yep.
They're both still raging.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh god. Angsty boys. Not liking it.
Good.
But they didn't know she was the key. This
No,
is the
exactly.
thing.
They just thought she was a scared girl.
Yeah.
They didn't know what was going on aside from that.
Yeah.
And she said she went back to him, so why would they then pursue it if she went back?
Mm-hmm.
They knew something was up, but they couldn't act on it.
Yeah.
Because they already knew he was dangerous.
Yeah. Gal.
Angel. Nightmares.
Yeah.
No.
Please do.
Go away!
I love how their
jeez.
chairs are literally on the ground.
It's like that guy on the train. I hate that kind of person.
Good God, they're
Oh
everywhere.
my lord. 10 locations.
Very spread as well. Which is going to be hard.
Mm-hmm. No, that's not true. And that's a good thing.
She's definitely crying.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, it was a bit of a mess, that one.
Yeah. No, we're not. It's very important. Go for it.
You're not in charge of this meeting. There are limitations, bruh. So that's not actually very helpful.
Yeah.
Like, maybe he saw.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. Shh. Jesus.
Stop trying to push his buttons.
Literally just trying to poke the bear. Fuck off.
Okay.
Can he not do it anymore? Is that it? Yeah, the more time you spend, like, arguing about it.
That's the goal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Deku. He is literally gonna feel so guilty until they get her.
Yeah.
But she might have died. You might have died.
Yeah. They're gonna try so hard to get her back now, though.
Mm-hmm.
Stupidly hard. It's a bit weird to call him teacher outside.
Oh. He just wants to protect.
But he's probably gonna still let them. No. Respect.
Problem child.
Oh.
Poor baby. Mm-hmm.
The squad is here and ready for action. He's just too enthusiastic sometimes. They are energized and ready.
I love them so
The
much.
protection squad grows.
Oh.
Has he changed his mind?
Mm. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy, it's going down. Next
I
time.
love my kids. What do you think?
Wait, now that I sit in this chair, do you ask me what I think every time?
What do you think?
That they're gonna fuck shit up? but
Yeah.
they're gonna get fucked up in the process.
Yeah.
Because knowing them as characters, they're gonna go absolutely all out to get her back, especially since they had the opportunity and didn't take it.
Oh yeah, Mirio and Deku are gonna they're gonna be like right in there trying their best.
Yeah, but I actually appreciate that Aizawa's like, don't go crazy this time. Like, do it by the book. And don't go against instructions.
You're gonna go, okay, instructions are there to help, not hinder. Like, just trust and believe in the system. We'll get her.
Yeah.
Just because you didn't take her then doesn't mean that she's dying.
No.
She's okay.
And she's probably been in this position for a while.
For a long time.
But shit.
Terrible.
But it's probably been a while, so like, it's better to make sure that they are so prepared that they can save her.
Yeah.
For definite when they actually go for it, instead of losing her again or her dying in the process.
Yeah. Like, it sucks that they have to leave her in that for a little bit longer, but I totally am with them saying that it has to be like as close to 100% success rate
as
possible.
Yeah, before they do it.
Because otherwise, what then happens to her?
She goes into deeper hiding because they'll know that she's now the target and they know what's up.
Yeah.
Because it's doubtful that Overhaul realises that they have managed to get one of the bullets.
No.
I don't think he would know that.
No.
To get that information and put those two dots together about her being bandaged and about the blood cells in the bullet. Yeah. So that gives him
He'll just be wary because he knows that Deku and Mirio saw her.
Yeah.
I don't think he's so ignorant that he would be like, oh yeah, my line. Got me out of that.
No, he'll be under heavy suspicion.
Yeah, he'll know that they are suspicious.
And watching him.
Yeah, he just won't know
that they realise the significance of ERI
the two
in this whole situation.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Very interesting chat.
Gonna go mad.
Yeah, I feel like from this point out, it's just gonna be tits in the air, just going crazy.
What did you say? You said at some point it's like someone on a train, and I was like, what the hell are you talking about? What train?
Oh, no, that guy reminded me of the guy on the train yesterday.
You understand, when you say shit like that, it's such a specific reference that only I was going to get it, and I didn't even get it. So it was for nobody. No person.
Sorry, everyone.
So next time you make a reference, make sure it's a little broader.
Yeah.
Because it went over my head, because I was trying to think, when was there a train in the other episode?
No. That annoying guy on the train yesterday.
Yeah, I realise now, having asked you, but I was racking my brains trying to think when there was a train. Then I was like, wait, there was a train in Demon Slayer, but like, I don't remember there being an annoying person.
An asshole on that. Yeah.
Yeah, don't do that.
Sorry.
Jesus, such a specific reference.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can cut it now then.
Cut it.